If you're tired of your boring factory JK taillights and want some more modern appeal to the rear end of your Wrangler, these Axial JL style LED taillights with the black housing and the red lens will be a great addition to your 2007 to 2018 JK Wrangler. Now these will be a great pick for the JK owners who are more a fan of the JLOE LED taillight rather than any aftermarket options when it comes to the styling. Not to mention, if you're currently struggling with visibility out of the rear end of your JK and you're looking for an upgraded LED option, again with that OE style, then these are going to be right up your alley. What I like about this is that this kit is not going to be an exact replica, which will make you stand out from the crowd with the descending inner light design for some added style. Now these will have a majority of that JL appeal though, with the bright red lens and the OE texture black outer housing. Now the taillight will also feature the red fiber optic light bar to keep you more noticeable on the street, in addition to the two LEDs on the side of the housing itself. When it comes to the construction, the housings will be made of an ABS plastic material, which will be durable and able to hold their own. Now the lenses on the front will also be tough, made of a polycarbonate material, so if you take your JK out on the trail, you can rest assured that these will stay safe against any light impacts from branches or brush. Now the lights will also be completely plug and play, making the install incredibly easy and straightforward. These will come in at roughly $300, which I think is pretty average for an LED taillight. Now, a lot of other choices available on the page will usually take that traditional JK square taillight appeal and add some spice to it with some different housing setups or a fancy lighting configuration. Now this, on the other hand, gives you that modern touch of JL styling with the subtle OE appearance, and at the same time giving you the best of both worlds with the LED upgrade. So I think if that's your goal, then this is a kit for you. Install, again, will be straightforward, so it's going to come in at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about 45 minutes to get the job done with some basic hand tools. At this point, we can head over to the shop and check out a detailed breakdown of the install and what that looks like step by step. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and jump into it.
Tools used for this install: a Phillips screwdriver. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install our taillights here on our Wrangler, but first we're going to watch a quick uninstall video of how to remove them, and then we'll jump right back into the install.
Okay, to begin disassembly, we're going to go ahead and remove the 2 inner screws from our factory taillight. This one here and this one down here. Slightly slide your taillight towards the inside of the vehicle and lift off. Pressing down this tab, unclip, and that's it for the removal of our factory taillights.
So now we have our old taillight out. What we're going to do is, in the kit they give us an alcohol swab. You're going to want to clean this surface here. We already did this, so I already wiped it down with alcohol. And on the back of your new taillight, you're going to see there's some double face tape here. You're going to want to remove the red backing here. And then what you're going to want to do is just slide this into place, and you'll see that it hooks like that. Push this piece in, and then we'll take our Phillips screws that we took out when we removed our stock taillight. We'll get these started here. And I'm going to run these in with my Phillips screwdriver. Same with the top one. So once you get these 2 tight, now what you're going to do, because you have already removed your red tape. Now we didn't do this on ours because we're going to be removing this. But now at this point, you're going to want to go around and push all around to make sure you secure the double-sided tape there so it sticks to the paint and sticks to the body. So next what we're going to do is install the rest of our taillight. We're going to take our electrical connector here, plug that in, and we'll get that stuck back inside there. And once that's in place, we'll just pop on our taillight, make sure we get it clipped in on the end, and then we're going to take our 2 Phillips head screws here and get these started. This one here is a little bit harder to get to. That's 2. I'm going to take my Phillips head screwdriver and we're going to tighten these up. Same on the bottom one. And now that that's on, you're going to want to repeat this whole install procedure on the opposite side. That wraps up this review and install of our Axial JL style LED taillights, black housing, red lenses for 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK. Thanks for watching, and for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.